Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Deer and this is Deer RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to check out the Z-65. This is made by Deerc. It's an ultra modern RC aircraft. It has 4 channels. You can do some aerobatic stunts. This is 2 motors. Then you have your elevons. I put both the back gear on there. I'm just going to be hand launching it today. Anyway, it's a really cool looking airplane. Alright guys, without further ado, let's turn this thing on. Just going to power on the airplane. Lights there. Very cool. It's too windy, but as always, I fly when it's too windy. Okay, slide the throttle up and then back down. And you are behind it. Okay. Looks good. I'm going to put this into higher speed, which is speed 2. You have your stunt button over here. Then use your right stick for the stunts, I would assume. We're going to find out. Let's see which way is going to be the best way to throw this. Not really sure. I'm going to try it like that. Okay guys, wish me luck. Maiden flight, first flight out of the box. Oh, and it's in the air. Look at it go, guys. And an unfair amount of wind. Very cool. Surprised it's still alive. It's over class 4 for sure. That's all they recommend it. I like to push them to the limits. It's still going, guys. Once again, I don't recommend flying in these kind of winds. I don't want you to lose your airplane and be mad at me. Man, what a cool plane. I've got her idled back down. You can see the lights really good. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Look there, you can just float. We'll test this out on a better day. The wind's giving it some challenging behaviors, but it's still working. I'm sure you can hear that wind and you can see it in the weeds here. And impressive as can be that this airplane's still flying. Super lightweight. Good job, Deerc. I don't think I'm going to try any stunts in this wind. Or maybe I should. Let's try a roll. Oh yeah, that was cool. It was worth it. Neat. I lost range there. We got her back. I'll bring it back closer to me. Testing its range. Looking about 600 feet or so. Okay, we better bring it in for a landing before the wind carries it away. There's a quick test. Pushing it to its limits in the wind. You can see I'm coming in on a crosswind here. Not the best idea. That was so cool. Nice, very cool airplane, DRC. Alright guys, there you have it. The Z-65 by DRC. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.